Hi guys, today I'm making turkey tetrazzini. This is the mushroom and milk, chicken broth, white wine, and here the spaghetti with peas and leftover turkey, dark meat from Thanksgiving. Tip for you guys, I like to season every step I make during cooking. It makes big difference in the finale seasoning. It's always perfect. For now I add salt and pepper. Here, they are here. And now I will wait till it will simmer for 2 minutes and then I will put it on my turkey tetrazzini here. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay guys, now I will, sorry about the dishwasher noise, I will put it there. It's heavy. If I can do with one hand, I did it. Put a little bit of Parmesan here. So now you just stir it like that. I put butter like you see and just easy put it all in the pan, and then just I learned something that you have to be equal, balanced, or whatever you call it. And then I made a mixture of butter and breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. You put it on the top. Very low calories, if you see that. But you know, if you take small piece, it won't be that bad. And then you put it in the oven. When everything is cooked, you just put it in the oven to melt everything together and the flavor will come together. And then I always put cubes of cold butter, not melted, in every corner and one in the middle. Make the top of it brownish color, nice, and melt the things together. And who doesn't like butter? This is the finale of the turkey tetrazzini. It looks so good, smells so good, with a little bit of red pepper flakes or something hot sauce, or even like that. It will be very tasty. And the rest I'll put it in the freezer. This is our dinner tonight. Turkey tetrazzini with bread, extra virgin olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. And I didn't have fresh herbs, unfortunately. I put Italian spices, which would be good too. This is my cute rubber red pepper flakes, and put a little bit, and I will close it with the top of it. Can you see how cute? It's cute. I have a gift from my friend, Italian friend. Turkey tetrazzini. Bon appetit.